We need a general formula of exponent. So for the general formula, y is equals to a times b to the power of that. Okay.
Oh.
This a is the start. That's a start point. And at the same time, that's also the y-intercept. That's the start or the initial. Okay. This one here is what?
Isn't it not the slopes, thought it was the y.
Okay, so here we don't talk about slopes.
Yeah,
we are talking about, this is exponent, so this is a rate. So you're right. So this is a rate.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's a rate. How being growth or decay. So that tell us that. Is it a growth or decay? Okay. Alright. If that b is greater than 1, then it's a growth. If it is less than 1, then it's what? A decay. Okay?
Oh, so good, man.
And here, this is the year, or we will say the time.
So wouldn't it be 1200 is the start and y-intercept?
Yes. So here, as we said, so here, the 1200 is the start. And what was that question? He said, what is the current population of at the park? So what is the current? So the current means what is the start? So what is the current? It's going to be 12 what?
Oh.
1200.
Oh, that's the answer?
Is that what?
That's the answer?
Yep.
Oh, I should have read the question.
So that's the
what I
current.
did was multiply 1200 times 0.8.
Yeah, so you need to know this. Alright, so let's move on. Okay. So here they just have a statement. It said that a function has a constant halving time. Halving time. What function does it represent? So we remember we have this. So he said they have a constant. So for instance, they have this, a constant. It can be any number, and it's a halving. So this is how we have. So here, what is a rate? You are talking about a rate. So what is a rate?
It wouldn't be 1/2.
Yes, 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 is less than what? It's less than 1. So because of that,
it's decay.
Decay. So it's a good. This is going to be a decay or decreasing, exponential decreasing or decay. Okay. So that's how I have to answer this question.
Okay, that makes sense. Oh, that's easy.
Okay. So let's go to the next.
Oh, this is easy. It's just
okay. So as you said, it's easy. How are we going to do it?
So remember y equals abx, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the y-intercept / start is 12.
Write it down there.
12,000. I mean 1,000.
So what do they need right now?
I need 1 point. It's 1.4.
What is the question? What have you been asked?
Years, like each year, the number of visitors is times the number of years.
Okay, so what is that?
It'd be 1.4 because that's the rate, right?
Good. So the rate is equals to 1.4, and that's what they are looking for. All right. Awesome. This is an application of what? Exponential function. So they want you to apply it a little bit.
Y equals abx.
Yeah, it kind of is similar to that, but here is a compounded interest.
Alright, so the start / y-intercept would be 3,000.
So here, the start, when it comes to the financial term, the start will become what?
Principal.
The principal. Okay.
And then the rate would be 6.5, right?
Okay, so
and
here,
so
the rate will be the same as what? The interest when it comes to the financial terms. Okay. Good. So now here the year
is 3.
Okay, so the x, which is a year.
So it's 3,000.
Which, when it comes to the financial, they're using the t, which is 3. So you plug everything in there. So here
So it'd be 6.5.
So here will become the principal is 3,000. Okay. 1 plus here we have to convert this one into decimal. Okay, so 6.5 divided by what?
What?
When we talk about percent,
Yeah.
what comes into your mind?
You put it one to the left. Decimal.
So,
Right.
but the answer that I wanted is if we talk about percent, 100 comes into your mind. Every number, percentage is measured in what? In 100. Okay, so you have to divide the 6.5 by 100. Okay, so do that one first before you put it in the calculator. So this. Okay, so if you do it, what do you get? 6.0.065.
0.065.
Okay.
And then that'd be 1 point.
And then here, put it that way, you get 1.065 to the power 3. And this you can put in the calculator.
That's 31.95. 31.95.
31.95. 31.
And then
95.
But then you have to cube it, right? I think
No, I just put everything in the calculator right away. How did you get that 31.95?
I just did 3,000 times 1.065, and I didn't cube it.
You can't do it. What you could have done is that 3,000 times 1.065 times another 1.03. You do it 3 times.
Yeah.
So the meaning of this, if you don't know how to put it in the cube, is the same as 1.0. 1 point.
It's like 6. Isn't it like 63623?
Okay, so if you do it, what did we get?
I think it's gonna be 3,624.
Okay, so 3,000.
3,624.
24. Okay, so yeah. So if you put your money in a bank and you're getting this interest annually, if
So
compounded this much,
over 3 years, you earn $624.
yes, yes.
All right.